Hi everyone, this is the summary video for Thursday Little Dragon Intermediate for April 2nd. And so you're going to start off with your traditional warm-up, just like how we usually do in class. 20 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, and 20 jumping jacks. Then you're going to do your basics. You'll do your single punches, double punches, and triple punches, and then each one you're going to have an exercise after that. We did that last week as part of class, so you should be familiar. Then you'll also do your front kick, side kick, roundhouse kick. The numbers and repetitions are listed in your lesson plan, and after each one you're going to have an exercise. Then you're going to do 10 of each block, and after that you're going to take a break once you complete all your basics. The next section, you're going to practice your footwork. So just as a reminder, when we do our footwork, if I'm going to be sliding, I'm just going to slide this direction and this direction so you can really see. So if I slide, I move this leg first. If I'm going this direction, I move my lead leg first, my rear leg follows. When I slide this way, I move this leg first, my other leg follows. That's sliding. You're going to practice sliding forward and back for 1 minute. Then you're going to do it on the opposite leg, forward and back for 1 minute. Then you're going to practice shuffling. So shuffling, remember, there's a space between my feet, and if I shuffle this direction, I bring my rear leg to meet my lead leg, and then my lead leg steps out, and then I advance. When I slide back, my lead leg goes to meet my rear leg, and then I push. Now I'm retreating. So you would shuffle forward, shuffle back, shuffle forward, shuffle back. You're going to practice that for 1 minute on your left, and then you'll do it on your right. If I'm going this way, shuffle forward, shuffle back, shuffle forward, shuffle back. So you're going to, again, practice that for 1 minute. Then you're going to do sidestepping. So if I'm in this stance and I sidestep this direction, I step with this leg first. Step, and then my other leg follows. When I sidestep this direction in this stance, I move my rear leg first. So you're just practicing sidestepping left and right for 1 minute in this stance. Then you'll switch, do the same thing, sidestepping left and right in the other stance. If you have enough space, you can double sidestep. Almost looks like a shuffle. Okay? After that, you're going to practice using your footwork and create a square, or if you have enough space, you can create a figure 8. You're going to use the different footwork that we have been practicing. So for example, if I make a square, in this stance, I can slide forward. Then I'll slide this direction. Then I'll retreat by sliding back. Then I'll slide this direction, and now I've created a square. If you have enough space, you can add shuffles. Shuffle forward, sidestep, shuffle back, sidestep. If you have even bigger space, you can do doubles. Slide, slide, sidestep, sidestep, shuffle. So it just kind of depends on how much footwork you have. You're going to do it in one stance, then you're going to switch and create your square or figure 8. Okay, that was my figure 8. You can do figure 8 if you have enough space. But once you do it in both your left and right stance, then you're going to do it in base position. So you're going to be using your small hops. Here's my square. Now if I do a figure 8, okay? So it just depends on how much space you have, but the first one is just you're still and you're just trying to create the shape. The next one, you're in base position. You're doing your small hops while you create your square or figure eight. Next, you're going to practice spine combo number 1, 2, and 3. You're going to be in base position the whole time. You're going to do it for 1 minute. Shuffle side kick, back fist reverse punch. And you're going to face a different direction each time. So number 1, shuffle side kick, back fist reverse punch. Then over here, shuffle side kick, back fist reverse punch. Then to the back, shuffle side kick, back fist reverse punch. So you're going to use the 4 directions. Then you'll switch and do it for 1 minute in your other stance. Then number 2, same thing. Punch, punch, kick. Then this side, slide, punch, punch, kick. Then this side, slide, punch, punch, kick. Then this side, slide, punch, punch, kick. Do that for 1 minute and then repeat for 1 minute in the opposite stance. And you'll repeat the same process for number 3. Your next section, you're going to finish it off by stretching and cooling down for about 10 minutes, okay? And that will be it for your class today. Thank you, everyone.